Sorry children, there was some difficulty in making video, so it was stopped in the middle. So let's continue the poem now. So the poet's heart leaps up whenever he sees a rainbow. His heart was filled with surprise, and he admires the rainbow since his birth. Now, as he is a young man, also he admires and he likes to see the rainbow. He is surprised to see the rainbow. The poet says, if his heart does not leap when he sees a rainbow in his old age, it means he is as good as dead. And next, the poet is recalling a proverb which says, the child is the father of the man, which means the habits formed during childhood also never die with old age. The poet has a great wish that will make him take up each day of his life with the same reference he had for them since his childhood. So from his childhood also he loves nature. So also till his death he wants to love and admire the nature. He doesn't want to change his feeling towards the nature as he grows old. And I could wish my days to be bound each to each by natural pity. He feels he feels blessed by the Almighty, means by the God, for having been born on this beautiful earth. So he reveres each day of his life as a God-given gift. Means he feels each day of his life it is a gift of God. So the poet spends each day of his life in deep respect to the nature. He loves nature, he respects nature, and he wants to protect the nature. I hope you have understood this poem, children. So here the understood this poem, children. Here in this poem, the poet he uses the proverb, the child is a father of the man, which it is a figure of speech, okay, figure of speech, paradox. So what is paradox? A paradox is a statement that sounds absurd or seems to contradict itself but may in fact be true. So paradox, listen children, paradox, it is a statement that sounds inappropriate, okay, that seems that it is not correct or seems to be negative itself, or it seems negative but maybe in fact be true, but in fact it is true. See here for examples, be cruel to be kind, save money by spending it, this is the beginning of the end. So paradox, it is a statement that sounds inappropriate or negative but maybe or in fact be true. I hope you have understood the poem and the figure of speech paradox. If you have any doubt, please contact me. Thank you, children.